Hello friends, welcome back to the Geeks Rank. I am your host Rahul Gupta. In this video, we will learn how to open an emulator without opening the Android Studio. For that, just there are few steps to follow to open the emulator without opening the Android Studio. If you do not want to code inside the Android Studio, if you want to just code inside other editor ID like VS Code or other whatever you love. For that, just want to open the emulator for run the APK. For that, let me show the quick steps. For that, first of all, you have to go inside the Android SDK where you have installed. In my case, I have installed my Android SDK inside the C directory, and inside C directory users, and my username is Rahul Gupta, and inside app data and local, and you will see here Android and here SDK. You have to navigate here, and you will see here a tool. If you are using older version of the SDK, for that you have to go inside tool. Otherwise, you can, if you use latest version of the SDK, you have to go inside the emulator. For right now, just I'm opening the CMD here, command prompt here. Just click here address and open CMD. You will hit enter. It will open in command prompt with related path. For that, if you do not want to open like this, if you have any issue, just close it. Just write cd. After that, just paste the path and hit enter. You will navigate it to that related path, and here you can see you are inside the Android SDK path. From here, I will show for the both users who are using older version of the Android SDK, and one who are using latest version of the Android SDK. For that, first of all, for the older version of the Android SDK users, just go to the tools cd, and from here inside tools directory, just you have to type here. Just let me show the list of the emulators if you want. Just you have to type the here, first of all, emulator dash list dash avds. If you type and hit enter, you will see here the list of the emulator. In my case, I have only one emulator, as you can see here, Pixel 2 API 28. And if you have many of the emulators, you will just see here the list of the all emulators. Now we have to just run the emulator, whatever you want. Just type here emulator, and after that emulator you have to type. Okay, and after that, just you type here dash, yeah, either you can say minus avd. Okay, and just press tab space, and you will just copy this emulator. In my case, I have only one the emulator, and just paste here the name of the emulator you want to start. After that, you will hit the enter. You will emulator will be started. In my case, actually I have already latest version of the emulator. For that, I have to switch in different directory instead of the tool. This process was actually for the older version SDK. For that, you have to switch inside the tools directory. In my case, I am using latest version. For the user who are using the latest version of the emulator, you have to just follow this second process. Just click here and clear screen, and go back to the directory. After here, you have to go navigate to the cd emulator. And for this is the process for the latest version of the Android SDK users. And just type again here emulator dash list dash avbds. You will see again the list of the emulator here, and just grab this and just write to start the command here. Just write emulator and after this dash avd space and the name of the emulator you want to start. In my case, as you can see here, only one emulator is showing here. Just I grab this and copy this and paste here, and you will hit enter. It will start the emulator. As you can see here, we are showing some warning. In my case, no worry, some error, but don't worry. In your case, it will not. So actually I am using older version of the Pixel 2, so that's why it's showing this error. Just you can see here emulator is started, and you can see emulator is started. And if you just cancel this terminal, it will be auto terminated the Android emulator. So that's it for this video. If you like, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and like, share and comment. Till next video, bye. Thanks for watching the video.